We have officially joined the ranks of every other YouTuber in the last 12 months. That's right, we finally got ourselves a camper van.
Yep.
Hi there, welcome to another episode of Matt and Nat Travel That. I am Matt, one half of Matt and Nat, and this is our honeymoon saga. If this is your first time to our channel, hi, welcome, nice to see you. Please stick around by hitting that subscribe button to follow all of our other adventures. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, after recently getting married, that's right, check out the ring, it's pretty damn cool. We couldn't travel overseas, so we decided to hire a Maui 6-berth camper van and tour the South Island of our home country, New Zealand. We flew all the way from our hometown Blenheim down to Christchurch to pick up our camper van, and we did a 2-week tour of the South Island of New Zealand. Finally made it into Christchurch Airport, all the way from Blenheim, ready to start our honeymoon adventure.
Yep, we're just waiting on the shuttle to pick us up to take us to our motorhome.
Ready. It moved. The company that we decided to go with for our camper van hire was Britz. They have a good name, they are renowned, and for 2 weeks it was about $1,500. I will provide the price down below, and it was ideal for us starting out in this new life experience. In this video, we want to detail our introduction to van life and everything that comes along with that. Learning the logistics of driving a big camper van and staying in holiday parks, everything that you might need to know so you can learn from our mistakes. Just driving down the road and we had a little bit of an accident. Stuff has fallen out of the fridge. We don't know how. Just bottles of Coke and stuff open here. Maybe it was just too full in there. I don't know. So we finally made it to Lake Tekapo. Hey?
I said stop calling it that. It's like Tekapo.
I actually think it's pronounced Tekapo. This is going to be our home for the night. Boom. Right there, in our Maui Campervan. Now I know Danger and Stacey called their car something, their camper van. Aston. We haven't come up with a name for ours. Maybe you can help us, I don't know, maybe we'll post it on Instagram, get some ideas. Yeah, that's what we'll do, we'll post it on Instagram, and by the next video we'll have a name for it. Just made a new friend, Craig McQuacken. Say hi, Craig. He's a little shy. And we're gonna give you a proper tour because we haven't done it yet. So inside here, this is the cab area where we do most of the driving from. Down here is our kitchenette area / dining room. These little couches here can fold out into a bed. We've got some storage space up there. We've got a media hub over here, which we're just playing our tunes through. We've got another bed over here, and obviously at the moment it's being used for storage such as mattresses and pillows. There, we've got a little TV up there. We've also got a hub over here where we can do all our cooking from. It is gas, as you can hear. Whoa. Okay, so that didn't happen. I just thought I'd throw that in there for a few yucks. On to the tour. Over here we have a little kitchen sink area. We've got a microwave that we don't know how to work. We've got some pantry space up here. All of the essentials. More pantry space up here. At the moment we've just got a couple of things up here. A rubbish bin. 2 of them actually. Obviously got spaces in here. They come with quite a few things. Jugs, toasters, and even a little heater down there. Pots and pans. There is a mirror over here. Hello. This is our little main bedroom area. So it's a little seating area, but it can fold out.
Which I'm about to do.
Yeah, which Natalie's about to do. Here is our bathroom. You can see there's the little plug down there, so you just shut that door. There's the toilet, and all of it goes through there. If you haven't been following our stories on Instagram and our previous videos, we did recently get married. Yep. And this is our romantic honeymoon South Island roadie / saga.
My lovely husband up here is cooking us dinner, his very own homemade spaghetti and meatballs. So that'll be quite interesting. I don't know if you can see that beautiful view we have out there. Go and sit out and watch, hopefully watch some stars.
Yeah, the clouds out there are a bit cloudy.
Normally they are, but that's okay. Hopefully we'll see some. And then tomorrow we've been lucky enough to be given a gold pass to the Tekabo Hot Springs. So we're pretty excited about that. So stay tuned, everyone.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Yeah.
Yum. Why don't you take the first bite, honey, and let us know what it's like.
It's so nice.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yummy.
Absolutely delicious.
Now I'm going to get into my meal. Woohoo! And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We've just woken up on our first night in the camper van. Natalie's doing her hair.
There's a lot to do at the moment.
We wanted to do some stargazing last night. I mean, that's the kind of the thing you do when you come to Lake Tekabo.
There was
There was no stargazing last night. Yeah, so this is what Lake Tekabo looks like today. This is where we're staying. That little dome. It's actually a stargazing tent that you can stay in here. And that concludes our van life introduction. We hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will be seeing more of Lake Tekabo and the surrounding Mackenzie Country region. So stick around for the next video. It will be coming up later this week. Now, if you thought this video was tight, leave us a like. This ain't no bribe. Please subscribe. And hey, what the hell? Ding that bell. And we'll catch you again in the next one. Bye! This church is really, really cool. And tell them how cold it is here today.
Oh my god, it's absolutely freezing. So Matt and I are currently at the Tekabo Hot Springs.
And we're quite lucky to get this.
Yeah.
We just stopped up in Burke's Pass and we found this cool little, looks like an outdoor museum or something. It's got all these cool old shops, old cars. Cool, it's like stepping back in time.